That's what a heat pump will do in 30-degree weather. The whole unit will freeze up. People don't know they have emergency heat, so they just keep running it and it just freezes up. Most of all these neighbors have the same thing. I have one too. It's a heat pump. This guy next door over here has a heat pump. It's got ice on it too. So typically what happens is when it gets below 30 degrees or more, 30 to 40 degrees is what they say, and you turn it on to heat, it can't absorb the heat from outside, and then all of a sudden this is what you get. Typical heat pump. It's a lot of them. A lot of calls for this right now. And I'm keeping an eye on this one right here, but as you can see, this heat pump is running. It's because I'm taking care of it, that's why. It's gonna start icing up too. But that's what a heat pump does. One more look. Nothing but ice.